Yes sir, 3 bags full.
Great job singing with Baby Dino! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more fun songs. See you next time, friends!